Kazam's Birds by Amy Ehrlich, illustrated by Barney Salzberg. Kazam takes off her hat. A bird is on her head. Kazam takes off her coat. A bird is on her arm. Kazam takes off her shoe. A bird is on her foot. Kazam waves her wand. Birdseed. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.